gosh. Are you serious? Are you serious?
We're about to do it.
I think I'm gonna have to buy this drone.
We're ready to make.
A little impulsive, but I feel like it's a good investment. Right?
Yeah.
I'm just convincing myself. Let's do it. Got the booty. Expensive edition. My dream is to climb that mountain.